Ashley, and welcome back to my channel and to all of my new subscribers. Hello, and thank you for joining in. All of my OG subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with your girl. Today's video is going to be on this classic makeup look here. I got the gold eyes going on and the red lips. I even got the curly hair and the cheetah print dress on. So this video is also a collab with my girl, Jamaican makeup artist, the girl who literally made me want to start my YouTube channel. She is my YouTube goals and my YouTube idol. Like, she is everything, and I am so excited that she has collabed with me for this makeup look. So thank you so much, Lyric, for collabing with me. You don't understand how much this means to me. So make sure y'all go and check out her channel and subscribe and tell her that I sent you. And if you guys are from her channel, hello and wagwan, and thank you so much for coming and watching my video. It honestly means so much to me. So enough rambling, and on this intro, I hope you guys enjoy. She did a very beautiful pink and purple bold eye look, and I just kept it and did a classy gold look, because I mean, I ain't on her level. Okay? I'm trying to be on her level, but I ain't there yet, okay? I'm taking little baby steps to get there. So this is my makeup look, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. It's perfect for like a night out with the girl or a night out with your boo, okay? So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. the makeup video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed it, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. And any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them down below. And if you guys have any suggestions on videos you guys want to see me do, then please leave them down below so I can create them for you guys. And yes, that is pretty much it. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm gonna give you some time to hit it right now. My invisible watch said you should have hit it by now. Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye.